In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the 70% discount. Getting a good deal can be a game changer, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to snag a great discount, especially during those big sale events. Now, let's dive in and explore the best ways to get that coveted 70% off. First off, timing is everything in the world of sales. The 70% off discount is typically offered during major sales events like Black Friday, which, as we all know, hits the calendar in November. Besides that, you might catch similar offers during other times like Easter or various holiday promotions. It's crucial to have these key dates marked so you're ready to pounce on the deals. Moving on, let's talk about your email inbox. It might not be the most glamorous part of the process, but monitoring your emails can really pay off. Make sure you're signed up for a free TradingView account or simply in a free trial mode because TradingView likes to send out promotional emails to its users. These can include discount codes and special offers, sometimes even better than what's publicly available as suggested by users on platforms like Reddit. So keep an eye on those emails and check them regularly. Next, it's crucial to directly visit the TradingView website when you sense a sale is brewing. When a sale is officially announced, head to the website and browse around for special links or promotional banners advertising those discounts. It's always best to go straight to the source to ensure you're not missing out on any offers. Additionally, during sales, special links can be real lifesavers. These links are frequently shared by affiliates or appear in discussions on forums like Reddit. When clicked, they often trigger a discount pop-up right on the TradingView website. These can be particularly helpful if you're aiming for the exact 70% threshold without jumping through hoops. If you're a current subscriber with an ongoing in-app subscription, there's a crucial step you need to take. You must cancel its renewal before attempting to purchase a discounted plan directly on the TradingView website. This ensures that you're eligible to grab the sale price without any hiccups. Finally, here's a handy little tip about extending your subscription. Even if your current plan isn't nearing its end, you can still use the sale to extend your subscription by adding on the discounted years. This allows you to secure the savings for multiple years ahead. An excellent strategy if you're planning to stick around and benefit from the service long term. Remember, preparation and a keen eye can really pay off when hunting for the best discounts. So, keep these techniques in mind and you'll be on your way to making the most out of those big savings. Stay savvy and happy shopping,